Lately, I don't know why, but all of my audio has been clipping in and out. So I've been losing, I lost like 4 or 5 days of vlogging. Woo! Damn! Hellhead's here.
But you had work.
I did. I paid my boss $10 to get out.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Oh, where's that? Where's that? Where's that? I get distracted, my music's jumping. He gave me a head nod. Where was I at? Oh my gosh, I can't retrace it. Oh, we love the energy, guys. We love the energy. What is this? Hey! 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 I always love seeing people I know on the street. It's so much fun.
Have you seen Tuesday? I think it means bad luck. Yeah, I can't move today. I think I ran out of trust. Have you seen Tuesday? I think it means bad luck. Yeah, I can't move today. I think I ran out of trust. The way that I'm falling is something that I could predict.
Beep, beep, beep. Alright, so he's good. Like minimal damage. Like you can see the scrapes right here. That's actually insane. Ooh, that's a beautiful car. That is beautiful. I wonder if she just watched it. She out there picking her weeds. We come around flying and boom, someone's down. She's like, oh, stupid Hoonigans. Glad he's okay. You always got to make sure you know your people you ride with. It doesn't matter. I don't even know him, to be honest. I just met him today, but you know, he's on 2 wheels, so I care for him. End of story. And that's always how it's gonna be. That was neutral. Look how big cows are. Is there anybody that doesn't have a cow, like has never seen a cow? I can imagine that freaking cow just roaming the streets. Yeah, dude, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, moo moo. Look at that fanny pack. That's a thick, juicy one. Oh, sidecar, do a wheelie. Do a wheelie. Yeah, dude. Dude, I'd be in there just knocked out, sleep. Oh my gosh! Jeez! Oh, no! Oh! Ouch! Do not fear, for I do not have corona. Look at the little pug. Look at the little pug. People always look away when I look at them. Why? You want to race? So, any of you riders, if you don't wear gear, wear some freaking gear, man. Like, you never dress for the slide, not the ride. Like, I'm sweating, man. I'm sweating. If I go to, I mean, I ride, you know, I ride, you know, a little sketchy. But, oh, why are the cops there? Dude, look at that. What the f?
What's your profanity?
That's dope. Thanks, man. That's sick.
Focus. Speed. I am speed. I eat losers for breakfast.
I still have a headache. I've had a headache for like 3 weeks straight. I'm not joking. And I don't know what's wrong with me. I might be dying. It's my day off, so we got a couple things to do. I'm on my way right now to go to the shop to see my designs actually printed. This is the first time they're being printed, and I'm so freaking hyped. And he sent me pictures, and they look amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see them. But everything I release in that manner, if you're spending money on it, I want you to understand that it's more than what the product is actually. It's what it represents, and I want you to represent it. I want you guys to be a part of the hype rocket. I don't want it just to be something with my name on it. I'd rather it, you know, hit you guys deeper and be like, if I wear this, I have to be hype. There's like nothing else it could be. You have to be hype if you're wearing it. Like, you have to be positive. You can't be mean. That's not allowed. Come on, man! I want to go see him. Woo! Hey, wait. Oh, wait! My headache's gone! Oh, let's go! You did it again, baby girl! You did it again! Woo! Ah! Guys, I got business cards too! They just came in before I left. I have some in my book bag, but I don't have like a mount or anything to hold them. I'm a highlighter! Hello! Nice to meet you. If it's your first time here, I'm sorry, but you have a lot in store. Woo! I really don't think it's a cop. I hope it's not a cop, because I really don't. We're in town. Like, I don't want to do anything, dude. I don't think they're a cop, man. But you got to get off my butt, for sure. I get so bored sometimes. This is so fun. Oh! I can't wait for the summer, guys. I'm not a winter person at all. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It makes me miserable.
Yo, yo, yo. What's good? How you doing, man? I'm hyped, dude. Sun's peeking out. It's not cold. Take these guys. Oh, dude. Spread them out. Spread them out. Hey, you guys are the first people to get them. I just got them like 2 days ago. Thank you.
You know, if you do agree today to do everything, we're making a whole video.
I gotta take a walk around. You got too many of my dream cars in here just chilling that I've never seen up close. You know what I mean?